Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing good and are safe at your homes, and it's with great pleasure and delight that I'm bringing to you now the second edition of Come Together, being hosted by Zerva's Art Club Lucknow Chapter India under the aegis of World Federation of Zerva's Art Clubs Patras, Greece. And we had an exhilarating response to our first edition in February 2021, and so that kind of motivated us to come forward with now the second volume of Come Together. This time around we have a wonderful team of artists who joined us not only from India but from across the globe to present their beautiful works, and I'm sure, like the last time, this time also they'll be so well received. So all the very best to the artists, and also happy viewing to the audience. We look forward to your support. And Zerva's Art Club Lucknow chapter under the aegis of World Federation of Zerva's Art Clubs Patras, Greece welcomes all its artists, wishes them all the very best, and also looks forward to the encouragement and viewership of our audience. So thank you all once again. Thank you.
It's a pleasure to introduce Anuradha Malik. She's a well-known and highly acclaimed artist whose body of work spans mixed media, oil on canvas and pencil sketches, collages, Tanjore paintings, Mysore art. She's a BFA from Chandigarh, and her works have been exhibited in galleries across India, Dubai and Sharjah. Her participation in the World Art Dubai 2019 was very well received. Recently, she's been appointed as Honorary Board Advisor of WPDO of the United Nations, and Anuradha Malik is the India head of the World Federation of Zerva's Art, Patras, Greece. We wish her all the very best and thank her for taking part in our exhibition. I'm delighted now to introduce senior artist Anupama Trigunayath. She's an artist, mother, wife and animal lover. The gift of form is a profound homecoming, as someone has aptly said. The form, shapes and array of colors in her works is a reflection of her own abstract vocabulary and imagination, connecting with the real and surreal. Anupama works with both acrylic and oil medium. Every little feeling or insignificant object could be a tool or texture in her process of painting. Every canvas is a new beginning, a new story and her tranquil retreat. We wish her all the very best and thank her for exhibiting her works with Zerva's Lucknow chapter.
My name is Anupama Trigunayath. I am an abstract artist, and thank you Vinita Rathod and Zerva's Lucknow chapter for giving the opportunity of showcasing the work. I look forward to your exhibition. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure to introduce Vineesh Kumar, our next artist. Vineesh Kumar is an artist, sculptor born in Kerala, India, but now settled in Canada. He's a BFA and MFA in Fine Arts Sculpture and is now working as a freelance artist in Canada. He's conducted a number of exhibitions, both solo and group exhibitions in India as well as other countries, and has won many prestigious awards. His works exhibit the interconnectedness of nature and human beings, and while creating art, he questions himself about the hazards humans and nature face. We wish Vineesh all the very best and thank him for exhibiting his work on the Zerva's platform. I'm really happy to introduce Laura Elena from Ushuaia, Argentina.
She started to paint when she was 2 to 3 years old, but had problems in school as her teachers said that those were adult drawings. However, Eleanor never thought about painting as an adult. In 1979, she started her university career to be a tour guide, a profession that occupied her time till the pandemic was declared in March 2020. Unfortunately, around May 2005, she met with an accident and she started to slowly paint again. Between May 2008 and December 2010, she prepared for a solo expo at Ushuaia, the southernmost city of the world. I wish Eleanor all the very best and thank her for participating with the Zerwas. It feels great to introduce Marsha Wilson, a wonderful pyrographer from Waco, Texas, US. Pyrography, from the Latin words fire and writing, is the technique of making art on a surface with heated metal. And Marsha mainly uses photographs as references to create her art on wood, paper and leather. She started experimenting with pyrography in 2008 and she initially did silhouettes and typography, and gradually she learned to shade. Using such a simple tool to reproduce almost lifelike images has been a journey of self-discovery for her, and her studio at Cultivate 712 712 Austin Avenue, Waco, Texas gladly takes commissions. We welcome Marsha onto the Zerwas platform and wish her all the very best. It's wonderful to introduce Aisha Taleyar Khan from Mumbai, India. Aisha's journey into the art world began in 2017 with a series titled Integration, which was born due to the growing global divisive trends. The power of unity, diversity, and mutual respect was disappearing and was being replaced with mistrust and intolerance. This polarization had a strong influence on her work, which became a metaphor in solidarity of integration. Aisha carved out a niche for herself through the concept of photo art, in which two or more of her existing photographs meld seamlessly to rekindle into an abstract image, versatile and ambiguous in nature. We wish Aisha all the very best and thank her for exhibiting her works with the Zerwas.
This is photo art, a new genre of art in which I blend two or more photographs and print them on canvas or archival paper. This series is titled Integration, reflecting the process of digitally blending images that I use to create the works. This artwork, Integration 29, represents the multicultural aspect of our country. One country, multiple sensibilities. The abstract aspect of this work, as in the entire series of Integration, can be seen as Ganeshas merge with other photographs, integrating the diverse elements of all the photographs and incorporating them into a single multi-layered composition.
I wish to warmly welcome Rituparna Mondal from Kolkata, India. She's a teacher by profession, and being a Bengali, she's inherited the love for art since childhood. Painting gives Rituparna immense happiness in creating a piece which emotes her inner feelings. And she says it's the best de-stressing drug for her. Ever since her school days, she's been pursuing this passion for painting, and of course, appreciation has boosted her confidence and she's grown as an artist over the years. She works with acrylic, oil and watercolor. We wish Rituparna all the very best and thank her for coming forward and exhibiting her works on the Zervas platform.
Hello everybody, I'm Rituparna. I'm an educator by profession, but painting gives me a lot of happiness. It really is a stress buster for me. I do acrylic, oil and watercolor, and I've given 2 of my paintings for this exhibition. Hope you people like it. Thank you.
I welcome Efethymia Kontomari from Corfu, Greece. She's a wonderful artist and a graduate student of the School of Management and Economics, as well as a postgraduate student of Tourism, Business Administration and Communication and Journalism from the Open Universities of Greece and Cyprus respectively. For her, art is the expression of the soul and every artist is unique. She has a great passion for photography and is presently working on a mobile photography project which is all about transforming photos into a geometric, cartoonist and surreal type of art. Efethymia sums up her philosophy in this quote by Roger Williams: "In general, when you do what you do best, you are helping not only yourself but the world." As a touching gesture, Efethymia wishes to dedicate her presentations for the people who have lost their lives and property in the fires of South Evia. So thank you so much, Efethymia.
Hello, I'm Efethymia Kontomari and I live in Corfu, Greece. So happy participating in the art show Come Together Part B, curated by Vinita Rothor. I'm working on mobile photography, making cartoons and art photos. I'm sending you 4 artworks. Kind regards.
Gives me immense pleasure to introduce Sarojini Datta, a self-taught artist residing in Noida, India. Sketching and painting were her hobbies from childhood and then now turned into a profession. She's an avid traveler and she loves to come back and put the beauty of nature and the persona of people onto her canvas. Because for her, it's her way of sharing her experiences and also keeping her memories alive. Sarojini Datta is very comfortable with acrylic, oil or watercolor. We thank her for coming forward and exhibiting with the Zervas platform and wish her all the very best.
I'm Sarojini Datta, a freelance and self-taught artist from Noida. Painting for me is a method of creating value in my own life and bringing hope and joy into the lives of others. Most of my paintings are reflections of my own self or inspired by my passion for traveling. I love to recreate my memories of people and places that I have been to or have seen onto my canvas. I'm so grateful today to Zervas Art Club, Lucknow, for giving me this opportunity to display my work. I have had the pleasure of meeting the founders of Zervas, Antigone and Panagiotis Zervas, at one of the many international events organized by them. I request you to visit this exhibition, which will be on social media from 22nd to 24th August. It would really be encouraging and inspiring for all of us who are exhibiting their work. Thank you so much.
I'm really delighted to introduce Ritu Goyal from Ghaziabad, India. Ritu's journey of art can be traced back to her childhood, as colors always made her smile and gave her immense happiness. Ritu's art has given her both an identity and power.
She believes that everybody conceptualizes something different every time they look at her painting. And every artwork of Ritu's stems from what she has seen, felt, or imagined. Ritu's paintings radiate positivity and happiness. We welcome Ritu to the Zervas platform and thank her for exhibiting her works with us.
Hi, this is Ritu Goyal, an artist from Delhi, and I'm honored to be a part of Zervas Art Chapter, Lucknow. I am a fluid artist, a contemporary artist, an abstract with a modern technology and a different mediums on a canvas. I do acrylic, oil and watercolors with a different dimensions to a painting. I've submitted 2 paintings which are figurative modern arts, and in this multi-dimensional paintings I have captured the insatiable desires and the passion of a woman searching for a soulmate. I have made windows on her body which represents the door of imaginations and fantasies that await her life. Even though in the painting the girl may wear the mask of being prominent and wealthy, many longings lie within her. The artworks which I have submitted depicts the bold, unapologetic sensuality of a woman. I hope you like my work. Thank you.
The adventure of flying kites has always fascinated our next artist from Mumbai, India, Anjali N. Harnahali. The kite represents free spirit, willingness to explore the skies. Kites soar high and thus embody the idea of rising above all and being holistic about one's views. Anjali's artwork conveys that if you rise like the kite, selflessly, be free-spirited and do what you're meant to do, the rewards will follow. We wish Anjali all the very best and also thank her for coming forward and exhibiting her works on the Zervas platform.
Hello friends, this is Anjali Harnahali from Mumbai. First of all, I'd like to thank Zervas Art Club Lucknow for giving me this wonderful opportunity to exhibit my work. I basically work on kites and Samudra Manthan theme, wherein kite represents free spirit and Samudra Manthan represents spirituality. Like that, it teaches us how to churn the negativity and get that ambrosia to win the life. Together, we can win this pandemic and soar high and keep exploring. Thank you so much.
Delighted to introduce Mukti Bhomik, a Bangladeshi artist who's done her graduation and masters from the Department of Sculpture, Institute of Fine Arts, University of Dhaka. She's participated in many art exhibitions at the national and international level, and her works can be viewed in many art galleries as well as in her own. She's received the award in Terracotta Masterclass in 2019 from IGA Gallery, Kolkata, and the Best Sculpture Award 2021 from IOMAC. I wish Mukti all the very best and thank her for coming forward and exhibiting her works on the Zervas platform.
Hi, I'm Mukti Bhomik from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I am a sculptor and now I am freelancer artist. I have passed my BFA and MFA from Dhaka University Institute of Fine Arts Department of Sculpture. I feel blessed to be associated with Zervas Art Club. I have presented 2 of my artwork in this exhibition, Refugee 71 and Shepherdess. I always try to do contemporary and subject-based work and to tell a story in the work, and let's try to present an event. The word refugee was closely associated with the Bangladesh War of Independence in 1971. After this war, we get an independent and beautiful country where we can live as we wish. Between these 2 works, I have tried to highlight the 2 issues of war and freedom. I hope everyone like it. I am very excited for this exhibition because I think this exhibition will be a memorable exhibition for everyone.
I'd like to welcome Nilesh Gupta, a self-taught artist from Gwalior, India. He mainly uses acrylic and oil colors and is partial to still life art as well as palette knife. As an artist, he's inspired by a sense of calm which pervades in silence, the romance of colors and the simple charm of nature. A budding artist, Nilesh feels that art is a subject of complicated yet pleasurable research wherein the artist forgets the world outside and connects with his soul and real emotions, also inner unexplainable desire. We wish Nilesh all the very best and thank him for coming forward and exhibiting his works on the Zerwas platform.
Hello everyone, I am a self-taught artist who started my work in 2018. Since 2018 till now, I'm using variety of colors in my artistic work like acrylic color, oil color. Sometimes I also used pencils and charcoal also on paper and canvas both. So basically I inspired with the nature. So you have seen the sensitive and very silent touch of nature in my artistic work. As well as you have seen a different kind of texture as I took the reference of different artists but not so closely to their work. I mostly make some different or additional thing in my artistic work. So thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
It's wonderful now to introduce Rajkumar, a pencil-based artist from New Delhi. This young artist is completing his Bachelor's of Fine Arts degree from the Delhi College of Arts and is supremely gifted. He tries to depict the real symbolism of the mythological character through his art, and he feels that in the current age, nobody wants to openly talk about mythology as it can be a matter of argument and strife. However, through his beautiful sketches, he tries to show that belief in God helps guide us to become a better human being. He draws his inspiration from the sculptures of these mythological figures that are slightly broken or weathered, and as an artist, he associates this to the broken or manipulated symbolism related to the same. We wish Rajkumar all the very best and thank him for exhibiting his works on the Zerwas platform.
Rajkumar. I'm a pencil-based artist from Delhi, and here I'm exhibiting my two artworks, Hercules and Pieta. My first painting, Hercules, shows strength and valor, where the second one, Pieta, depicts pity or compassion. Actually, I feel these emotions from the sculptures I have drawn it, and I also hope it will channelize the same emotions to you. Thank you, Zerwas Art Club, Lucknow, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure to introduce senior artist from Morocco, Elmadani Belmadani. He's an impressionist painter born in Taza in 1955. Experienced in painting since his childhood, he continued his artistic studies at the former Italian school in Tangier and has participated in group and individual exhibitions in Morocco and abroad. He's been exhibiting since 1976 and his paintings occupy a place of pride in several private and public collections all around the world. To mention a few, the South Korea George Museum, Museum of the Americas, Miami, USA, Florida Museum, Uruguay, Tara National Library, Russia, Arts Center, Breckenridge, United States. Elmadani is one of the best Morocco artists. He's perfected his oil and watercolor technique by confronting renowned artists nationally and internationally. And his favorite themes remain historical monuments, traditional architecture, natural landscapes, Moroccan daily life, and still life. We thank him for participating with the Zerwas and wish him all the very best. Priya Yabaluri is a senior artist from Mumbai, India. She confesses that art is her passion. Being an artist for more than 25 years, she's chosen it as a profession in spite of coming from a science background. And she strongly feels that her background in science and interior designing makes her think from a totally different and a new perspective. Her art is mostly inspired from nature, and in the last 20 years, she's participated in over 35 group and solo art events, and her works have been well received in galleries in UK, Germany, St. Petersburg, Moscow, France, London, Paris, Dubai, and Mumbai, New Delhi, Hyderabad, Guwahati, Pune in India. She wishes to explore more geographically and learn more about art and culture. In the words of Priya, art is evergreen and art sets you free. We wish Priya all the very best and thank her for exhibiting her lovely works with us. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome Dr. Archana Chaudhary. She was born in Madhubani, Bihar and is currently residing in Jammu and Kashmir. She's been painting since childhood and she's received the Madhubani art form as part of her heritage. Dr. Chaudhary specializes in Basoli and Kangra styles and has participated in a number of national and international exhibitions, both online as well as offline. Her attempt is to preserve traditional motifs, patterns and themes of Madhubani painting. We wish her all the very best and also thank her for coming forward and exhibiting her works with the Zerwas art.
Hi, I am Archana Chaudhary, born and brought up in Mithila region of Bihar and presently staying in Jammu and Kashmir. I am a miniature and Madhubani artist. My endeavor is to protect these two art forms in their original form. Mostly I love to use stone paintings for miniature and natural colors for Madhubani. Here I am presenting two of my art form. First one is auspicious elephants and second one is fish in a pond. I am really thankful for Zerwas Art Club for giving me this opportunity to present my art. Thank you very much.
With immense pleasure, I'd like to introduce Ajnab Ki from Bangalore, India. Ajnab was born and brought up in Jaipur and has been exploring art since the tender age of 8 years. She's participated in many group exhibitions in Delhi, Jaipur and Bangalore, and currently she's living in Bangalore and exploring and loving her passion for art. Everything is an inspiration for her. For example, her own existence, nature, the sun, the moon, people, animals, our culture, our country, and our temples, our diversity and our surroundings. All inspires her to explore more about this beautiful entire creation. And for Ajnab Ki, art is her soul and her pulse of life. She's exhibiting 4 beautiful artworks on the Zerwas platform and we wish her all the very best. I'm thrilled to introduce Valerie Vincent, our next artist from Lyon, France. Valerie Vincent, intuitive artist, feels that to express herself, she needs to lose herself in art. Looking past the obvious, observation and engagement is her process. The challenge is part of the pleasure before she endeavors to capture a uniqueness through her choice of subject, color, tools, and size. Using acrylic paint and mixed media, she poses, scratches, works, erases. Through these gestures, her art comes to life. Whether it be an abstract or more figurative subject, the goal is to look more carefully, see below the surface, stand back, and find beauty, depth, and harmony. Her works have been exhibited in galleries in Ireland and France. With much delight, I'd like to introduce a young artist, Ansh Batra from Gurugram. Art can permeate the deepest part of us where no words exist. This quote sums up the philosophy and the motto of Ansh Batra, a 14-year-old child with autism. Ansh has found his inner voice in strokes of brush. His canvas is his playground, and he plays with colors, and every stroke expresses his emotions. Though his vocabulary and language skills are very limited, impaired due to autism, but as they say, if God closes one door, he opens another, and Ansh has found his calling in art. He's participated in 43 exhibitions in the 3 years of his journey of art and has sold 400 artworks all over the world. His work can be viewed at Ansh's Dream World on Facebook. We wish Ansh all the very best and thank him for participating on the Zervas platform. To introduce senior artist Rushikesh Biswal. Rushikesh Biswal, hailing from Orissa, instead of falling in love with the idea of love, has fallen in love with the idea of the loving couple. His points of reference are the innumerable couples that he sees on a daily basis in the streets, cafes, and public gardens of Baroda, India, where he is currently living and working. His couples, or rather his art, like the traditional Mithuna couples seen along the walls of the ancient Indian temple architecture, create a world of their own and remain there as eternally young people in love. In their constant communication, their gestures get exaggerated and could be categorized as surreal. Rishikesh's is not just a homocentric vision. We welcome him onto the Zervas platform and thank him for exhibiting his works with us.
हाय, मैं ऋषिकेश बिस्वाल उड़ीसा भुवनेश्वर से हूँ। भुवनेश्वर में मैंने बैचलर डिग्री किया है पेंटिंग डिपार्टमेंट से, धौली कॉलेज ऑफ आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट भुवनेश्वर से, और मास्टर डिग्री प्रिंट मेकिंग से किया है MS यूनिवर्सिटी बड़ौदा से। कंटिन्यू 16-17 ईयर में बड़ौदा में रह के ही काम करता हूँ, मेरा स्टूडियो बड़ौदा में ही है। और मेरा जो काम का जो स्टाइल है वो बेसिकली एरोटिक सब्जेक्ट है। कपल सीरीज को लेके काम करता हूँ और कपल क्राइसिस को लेके काम करता हूँ।
I'm thrilled to introduce Ramya Swami, an artist from New Delhi.
Art has been her passion since childhood, and as she grew up, she realized the joy of creating an artwork knows no bounds and feeds her soul. Two of her great passions in life are art and travel, and these have helped her become a better person. Through her art, Ramya seeks to express her personal experiences and also capture scenes and people as she sees them, which she further translates onto her canvas, thus sharing her joyful experiences with others. She is also drawn repeatedly to portraits, which help her in establishing a cosmic connection between herself and her subject, because Ramya firmly believes that people may come and go in your life, but their memories always linger. We wish Ramya all the very best and thank her for coming forward to exhibit her work. It's a pleasure to introduce Deepa Soni from Jammu and Kashmir. Deepa is a versatile artist and specializes in acrylics and oils, and has always been passionate about exploring different mediums like watercolor, resin art, abstracts and mixed media. Painting for her is not just limited to being a hobby, but is a form of worship which enriches her soul, and she loves sharing her art with others, thus spreading positive vibes and smiles all around. She is exhibiting two beautiful works with us on the Zervas platform, and we wish her all the very best. It's a pleasure to introduce Jisha Samir, a professional artist residing in Dubai. She's always been fascinated by colors since she was a child, and has been actively participating in art events and also has received many awards. She loves to experiment with colors and explore different genres of art. Jisha is an artist by passion and a software engineer by qualification. We wish her all the very best and thank her for participating.
Hello everyone, my name is Jisha Samir. I'm an artist based in Dubai. I would like to thank Zervas Art Club Lucknow for giving me this platform to showcase my artworks. Here I've submitted one of my acrylic painting with the title Desert, and this exhibition is happening from 22nd August to 24th August. So I cordially invite each and every one of you to come and watch our virtual show and extend all your support to us. And congratulations to all the selected artists. Thank you so much.
Hailing from Gwalior, India, Abnesh is a self-taught artist and works with both acrylic and oil colors on paper as well as canvas. He is exhibiting two beautiful artworks in Come Together, Part 2. The first symbolizes the divine love between Radha and Lord Krishna, and the second reveals the value and preservation of water, which in turn is symbolic of the incessant flow of life. A very reflective artwork from this budding artist from Gwalior. We wish Abnesh all the very best. I'm delighted to introduce Gigi Paul from Kochi, India. Art is her comfort zone. Mixing colors and shades in the restricted space of a canvas brings her immense joy and satisfaction. She realized her interest in art at quite a young age, and since then she's been working on improving her skills and exploring different areas within. She's worked with diverse art forms such as oil, acrylic, watercolor, charcoal and pastels. And she believes that her strong point is painting people, yet a change in subject matter refreshes and sharpens her perception. She's taught art for more than 15 years to various age groups and has also participated in many art events. She says that while art can mean many things to people, to her art is everything. We wish Gigi all the very best and thank her for exhibiting her works with the Zervas Art.